guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be a vlog, and Cody and I are here in the car. We're going on a little staycation at the JW Marriott downtown Vancouver, and we're really excited. We've never done this, and like I've really been wanting to do this for like a few years now, so we're very excited. It's a Sunday night, it's pouring rain, it's absolutely miserable out, but we're gonna have such a good time, and I'm just really excited to have like a little bit of a getaway.
It's cold outside, it tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind, I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like
Okay, when you walk in, there's a nice full-length mirror. This is great. Cody said that there's a singular robe, so we'll order a second one. In the closet. That's a nice size. Sweet.
Complimentary umbrella.
Very important. It's very rainy out. In the bathroom there's a double shower, I believe. Is it all one? Oh no, it's two showers. That is bizarre. I've never seen. Oh no, one's a toilet. Duh. I didn't even think about where the toilet was. It's right there. Anyway, this bathroom has really good lighting, so that's really cool. Very cute, very modern. And then out here, we have a cute little desk. TV has my name on it. How lovely. A nice king-size bed. Oh, it looks so plush. I'm so excited to sleep. And then there's like a little loungy area. And although it is super, super dark out, we do have an ocean view. So let's have a look at that. Probably just see my reflection, but Science World is over there. And yeah, that's really awesome. Hopefully we'll be able to see more tomorrow because right now is not the best time for this. So when we checked in, everything went super smoothly. The guy was super helpful and answered my million questions I had, but he also let us know that we have access to the executive lounge, which has snacks. Lounge, yeah. When he mentioned snacks, I was like, yes, what is that? So we'll have to go check that out at some point.
All day snacks, breakfast buffet, cocktails and beverages, desserts. Evening appetizers. Perfect. That sounds really fun. It's 4 o'clock now and we don't really have any plans. I do have a reservation for dinner at 9:30, which is super late. I didn't really know like what our plan was gonna be once we got here. So I don't really know. We also have tickets to the Aurora festival, which is across the street. It's like a winter festival because we love those. So we might go check that out around 8 o'clock, but for now I think we're gonna go try and get some Instagram content downstairs. Here's the first outfit we're gonna go shoot in. I got my fun red pants. If you guys saw my haul video that I posted a couple days ago, I'll have it linked down below. I showed a lot of the pieces you're gonna be seeing and I'm gonna post them on Instagram, so I'm not gonna show you guys every outfit, but I thought I'd show you this one. Very Christmassy. I hope we can find somewhere downstairs in the lobby that is matching that vibe. And I think I'm gonna also pair it with the white blazer from Topshop. This one here with the little crested sparkly detail. So we just finished taking pictures in this outfit down in the lobby and we came to check out the executive suite and like, oh my goodness, there is so many snacks here. Lots of candy, chips, cookies. They're like bringing out a bunch of stuff and you can also get alcohol here, which is super cool. So it's around 7 o'clock now and we have dinner reservations at 7:30 at the Victor. We've both never been there, so we're gonna go check it out, have some drinks. And since we haven't really done a nice dinner in a while, we decided we would get dressed up. So I'll show you guys our outfits after, but yeah, that's the plan for now. Go check it out and then we're gonna come back here and get dressed warm and then go check out the Aurora Festival across the street. Ooh, didn't see you there. So my outfit for tonight is suit is from Topman rather. My shirt is from Mango. Picked it up in Europe. Where exactly? Paris?
Paris, yeah.
And
love Mango.
These shoes are from
Steve
Madden. Yeah, Steve Madden himself. And
these are my shoes. They're from Lulu's. We're just wearing heels because the restaurant is actually in the hotel, so we don't need to like dress all warm. And then blazer you guys saw in my haul, it's from Nasty Gal. And I'm wearing jeans and I feel so underdressed now because he looks so good in his suit, but I'm still waiting on black jeans to come in the mail, which would look better, but this is what we're dealing with. So that's our outfits. We're gonna go for dinner now.
Yay.
It's white outside and the night is cold.
We've ordered our drinks. I asked for the most floral, and this is the Emperor Sour, so it has lavender syrup, obviously. It's so beautiful. And you just got a Moscow Mule? Park Mule. Cheers, babe. Look at those fries.
New fry game.
It is. What are you gonna dip it in?
It's like a quarter of a potato.
Is it good though? We're good? It's truffle, right? Yeah. Pretty well done dinner now, and oh my goodness, that was so good. I highly recommend if you guys ever come here to get the Brussels sprouts. That was probably my favorite thing, and I wasn't gonna order them originally, but I was like, no, we should get a vegetable, and there was probably nothing healthy about them, but wow, they were so tasty. So I'm really happy, and I'm very full now. We're all dressed and ready. We're heading to Aurora. Aurora.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased.
Now we're back. That was very wet, but we got a good look at the place. We got our wine.
It's fun though. If it wasn't raining, it would be like super cool. And the chimney cake and wine were really good. Look
And of
at
course we got our chimney cakes.
my hair.
Same.
It's a whole nother story.
We got real wet,
I don't even know where
but
to hang this. Okay, that'll do.
wasn't the worst. It was fun.
It was fun.
It's a good
And I would
time.
have totally made us go tubing if it wasn't raining.
There was a lot of things I
super fun.
would have done if it wasn't raining.
Yeah,
Like maybe we're just like wussies,
a little bit.
chickens.
Little chicken.
But yeah, the rain is just not for me.
It's not
I definitely, I would have done tubing. I would have maybe even done ice skating.
I wouldn't have.
I might have made you go ice skating.
Might not have.
I might have even gone on the Ferris wheel.
I super would not have done that.
And we would have maybe had 2 chimney cakes.
I wouldn't do that. We'll see you guys in the morning. And we get late checkout. This is a terrible angle.
That's still.
So that's great. So we can shoot some more content tomorrow. Exciting, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Never not working. Okay.
Content on content on content.
Good night, guys.
I hope you're content.
Good morning, guys. We are just taking a look at the room service menu. It's about 10:13 now, so we're definitely thinking about breakfast, and they have eggs benny on there, which I'm obsessed with, if you guys didn't know. So I think we're gonna order some room service. They do offer it 24 hours, which is amazing, but they only have breakfast until 11, so we got to get that order in. And I think we have like super duper late checkout. Like the gentleman at the front desk said that we can stay till 4, which is the latest I've ever heard for any hotel. It's because it's like the off season, so hopefully that's actually true. And if that is, our plan for today is to chill in the room, casually, slowly wake up, have some breakfast, and then shoot some content, hopefully, before it starts raining, because it's not raining currently. And then hopefully just before we get to leave, we can go pop into the hot tub or something and enjoy that little aspect of it. So that's pretty much the plan for this morning. Here's our current setup, because we had to get a thumbnail for this vlog, but also a picture for Instagram. Hopefully they turned out. We did order room service. I am so sorry, but it's most likely cold now, but that's That's what.
Price of doing business, babe.
Exactly, babe. You may eat your omelet now. We ordered eggs Benny for me, omelet for Cody, and looks great.
Okay, so it's many hours later since I last talked to you guys. We enjoyed our breakfast and we went downstairs and got some Instagram content. I'm really happy, got exactly what I wanted. And then we went and grabbed more snacks at the executive lounge because it was like so great. And now we're gonna go check out the spa, which actually has a hot tub in it.
I'll let Cody take the slippers, but we're ready to go. Oh, it's gonna be so windy. In the summertime, this would be nice. There we go. Got a nice view of the Canby Bridge over there. That's cool. There's BC Place. All right, so we just checked out of the hotel and we're about to head home.
Yeah, we're so sad to go, but yeah, it was such a great trip, or not even a trip, just a staycation.
Yeah.
It kind of surprised me with this. We didn't really get a chance to do anything for our like anniversary this year, so this is kind of like a late anniversary staycation, and yeah, it was such a good idea. It's not something you always think about. You usually think to get someone something tangible, but like something like an experience is like just as good. And it's, you know, it's like not something you can do just with your significant other, it's something you can do with like a friend or whatever.
Or your mom. I think bringing your mom on a staycation would be so fun. She'd love that.
Why not?
And also just like having the JW Marriott like host us was so lovely, and we really thank them, but also having the late checkout made it so we were actually able to enjoy everything, because I feel like when you go and stay in a hotel, you're off doing a bunch of things and you don't actually get to enjoy the hotel to the fullest.
Yeah.
And so I feel like that's why staycations are perfect, because you can just sit in the hotel room and not feel guilty about it. And that is it for today's video. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.